guys, my name is Rachel. I am the social media manager here at 08 Liter USA. Let's get started. We have a lot of fun products to talk about today. And first up, we're going to talk about a Literite favorite. This is the Manyo Factory Galactomyces Niacin Essence. So this is clear essence, and what this does is that it helps to improve your skin texture and also will brighten up your skin, and it will target troubled areas. So it rubs in like almost instantly. It has no scent whatsoever. Niacin. Niacin? Not niacin. 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 Niacin? Okay. This is definitely a very popular product here, and it really is a great addition to your skincare routine, and it'll really help to just kind of improve the skin texture and also bring you some brightening and like trouble control effects. So this one is try now. It'll be up on Tuesday at 8 a.m. Okay guys, next we have kind of an interesting product. It's pretty cool. It is currently wrapped all the way in bubble paper, bubble wrap, bubble paper, and all this fun stuff. And that is because it is an actual ceramic bowl. This one is from the brand Yido Pottery. And this is actually a very luxury pottery studio. And these products are handcrafted. Ta-da! Oh, it's beautiful. So it's a handcrafted bowl from Yido Pottery, and it is handmade. They wanted me to show you like the packaging and the box just to show you that it is going to be very well wrapped and secure. So this is actually a big bowl. It's not huge, but it's really meant for like ramen or noodles. I mean, perfect. It really is gorgeous, and it has like the divots. You can tell that it's handmade, hand spun. So this one will be up on Tuesday, so tomorrow, August 21st at noon. Okay guys, as I said, Beauty Kitchen is next. This one is called the Drench Balm, and it's a hydrating balm used to target problem areas. It smells nice. It doesn't have that much of a scent, but it's kind of a gel cream. And this cream is really, really nice for hydration. You can use it on your face. You could use it on your body. I think it's really good on like elbows, anywhere that you might have some dry skin. And this one will be up on Wednesday, August 22nd at 4 p.m. And this one is really nice because it has some really cool ingredients inside. So this has aloe, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid, and I think a lot more stuff. It also has collagen peptide, primrose oil, antioxidants. It's just filled with awesome goodies and goodness, and it's a pretty large container. You can use this quite a bit. Okay guys, next, this is the brand Ampoule N. And this one is also great for winter time because this is called a Hyaluronic shot. Hyaluronic acid is really, really great for protecting your skin barrier, especially in the wintertime. This one from Ampoule N is packed with some really good stuff. It is an ampoule, so it's a liquid that rubs in really, really fast and smooth. It doesn't have a scent. If anything, it has like a very like watery, light scent to it. So this is Koreana is a really high-end skincare company, and this is one of their new brands, the Ampoule N. This one will be up on Thursday at 4 p.m. So August 23rd, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Ampoule N Hyaluronic shot. So set your alarms. It's gonna go fast. All these products are going super, super fast. Okay guys, one more new brand to talk about, and we did have a product from them last week, or was it Sunday? Yes. And that was the brand Bosong Lab. So it's BBOSONG Lab. But this one is a mask pack set. And the cool thing about this is that there's 2 steps to it. This is a 2-step, so the first step is exfoliation, and it has AHA peeling pad. So it's for pore clearing and pore care. So you use the AHA clearing pad first to exfoliate, and then you follow up with this Moisture Essence Cream Mask. So it is a 2-step mask pack, and the mask has ceramide in it. It's for skin renewal. So as I said, you first do the exfoliation and then you put on the ceramide mask. And the great thing, I have to say, the products, this is a really, really high quality mask set. As I said, the peeling and mask. And I have to say, the really nice thing is that the English is super clear. So on the back, they have the steps in English and Korean, but the English is like really detailed and clear. The masks are coming up on Friday. So this is going to be on Friday, August 24th at 6 p.m. So one more exciting try-free coming up that I think you guys will be very excited about because it's sold out very quickly. And this is the Naked Face PHA Water Tox Ampoule. And as I said, this one will be for try-free on Thursday starting at 12 p.m. And before we had it up for trying now, they did sell out super fast, and now it'll be back for try free. So you have another chance to try it out if you missed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to keep applying for 08 Leader campaigns. Bye guys! Have a great night. Annyeong!